Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to continue working on part 11 of this luxury modern condo. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to create all of this. Now we're going to continue working on this. I just want to edit this one because I want a different layout. I'm just gonna edit the extrusion, but I need to go to, I believe, east elevation, or west elevation instead of this one, because it's too much in terms of how far it is into the curb. So I just want to maximize the height, so 160. I think that's good enough. So 1000 here, but usually it really depends on the building code in your city or wherever you are, the way the riser and so this one, I think 140 is the best. I just don't want it to be all the way far enough. So I just want to maximize the there, and then I'm just editing the location. I think that's good enough. Just a little bit in the curve, and then just cleaning up this one now. I think that's perfect. And then here I just need to pull it up a little, and then here you could just move it. I think that's good enough there. That's just perfect enough. And then we could just have the car here, and then we could basically do this now right here. And then we need to create one on this side now. I'm going to baste it, so let's baste it from here to the wall. So extrusion, pick a plane. I'm gonna select this plane, and then here I'm going to have it directly like that. And then here we could just close this off. Something like that. Click finish. Change this to a concrete material. And then we just need to move this one like that. You could align it, AL, align it to this wall, and then align it here. In terms here, of here, I just want just a little bit right here, more than enough space. I think that's perfect. I'm thinking, where should I put the parking? I'm thinking of in the front. Then I'm gonna put an island right here for the parking. And then I want to change this, so I'm gonna delete that one, and let's go to level 1, and I want to make it nicer. So that the way I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna use curtain wall, and I'm going to have from end to end like that, and then use cut geometry, go to 3D. I want to maximize this all the way at the top, even like this is good enough. And then we could go to south elevation so that we could see it much better. There we go. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add curtain grid. I'm gonna do something 300 on the side first. And then at the top 500, and then maybe another 500. Actually, that's too much. Here we could just put 700, and then we could do a double door here on this side. And I just want to see it in 3D, how it is. So we could just change it. So this one should be at least 900, and this one as well, 900. I'm going to delete this and just move 950 each. And then click on mullion, and then all grid, and then delete the ones at the bottom from here, because we're going to change this to a glass door. So click on tab so that you just select the panel, and we haven't added. So let's insert, load family, and then go to doors and choose curtain wall single glass, and then click on tab, and then select the panel, and then drop this off, and as you can see, it changes. We have a door now. And then to flip it, what you need to do is go to level 1 again, and then click this one, and you want it to be going this way, because that's the main door, and that's the way emergency, if there's an emergency, it needs to go going out. And then we have something like that. So at least it's a more grand entrance. What we can do even is we could add something here, like a canopy or something. to make it nicer, but I don't want to disrupt the way this this view or this design, so we're just gonna leave it like that. That's good enough for me. So now let's go to ground, and then we're going to add something like this again, floor number 2. We can extend this now. We're making our site. Add this part there. We can make it bigger if we want to, depending on the site, but we need to showcase where the exit and those kind of stuff. So here I want to use floor number 3, so floor number 2, so floor number 2, and then we need to create something like that right here, maybe just a little. So we have a car, some cars right here, so at least 8,000 for 2 cars, or make it 10,000, and then we start from there. We could align it from here and then align it on this side. I want the walkway right here. So let's do this around 2,000. And then let's do like this. Let's align it right here, and then we need to offset this to 100 going inside. And then trim and extend. Click finish, and then here we need to move it 100. So similar to this, we have 100, and then from the ground, and obviously we need to have grass. So before we mirror it, what I'm gonna do is we need another floor, edit. Not sure if floor number 3 is a grass, so no. So edit, duplicate number 4, and then here let's put grass, and then press OK, and then OK. Pick a path or pick line, and then select that, and then put 100 again. Also, we need to fix something right here. Edit, the negative 800 depth. Maybe we could put 0, because there is some gap if you think about it. I'm going to go to south elevation and see. So here I'm going to make this one 200 instead, because it's based on the level. So with that, we need to change this one as well. This would need to be 200, and then this one to be 150, or because this is a grass, we could put this one as 200 as well, and then just put the grass at the top, and then it will look nice. So now let's go and select this, and then mirror draw axis and mirror it like that. So now we have the center point. Don't get distracted with this one. If you want, you can move it. Then we could put parking right here, and then obviously we could put parking here. You can go insert, so go to load family, and then go back to the main, and we have site here, and then we could go parking. We have some curves here, but that's 2D. We need some, we also have some islands here that if you want to add, but what I'm looking for is the pavement stripe, this ADA, and also I want to have some bollards. So I'm gonna add some bollards right here. Click open, and then CM, and then let's add it right here. And then let's go to 3D to see how it looks. The bollards right there is hiding, so we could just offset this to 1000 because that's the height that we set up. There we go. We could actually delete it through here, and then I'm just fine with the bollards right there. And then go to load family again. We have some trash can here, planters. So planter box, park bench, different kinds that we could add to make our life or our building nice. So here I'm going to have the pavement stripe, CM, let's add it right here. What I can do is you can actually change this. I'm actually going to change this stripe length. I'm going to make it as 4500. Make it probably 4000. Not sure what's going on, but I need to put it at ground. Actually, we don't need here, because I actually we have it at Twinmotion, so we can actually delete this and just load the other parking here. Override existing, that's fine. go to ground floor, CM, let's change it to, so let's insert here the parking space, 90°. I think that's good enough right there. Not sure what I should do here, because if we want this way, I'm just going to put it like this then delete this. And then once we have that, we could just copy and then copy again. We could just move this. I'm gonna move this all the way right here. Why? So that we could have this part for the disability. Okay, so now we just need to load family and then the symbol CM, add the symbol right about there. And then we could go and load some of this one, parking island. And then the arrows, it's up to you to decide. I'm gonna use this CM, and let's add something right here. Maybe we could put it on this side now. I think that's good. We need to space it out. I'm just estimating around 2 cars. And then obviously we're going to make this side a lot bigger. And then we could copy the way this one works. I'm gonna space it out and then copy it. I think that's good enough. I'm going to slide this one onto this side and get this one as well. Add this one right there. And then here, edit, or we need to double check what material. This one is grass and this one is concrete, so that's good enough. And then we could just copy this part don't copy the elevation tag, and then just mirror this one. Mirror draw axis, and we have it on the other side. Nudge it a little bit like that, and then delete this like this. And then go back to insert, load family, and maybe this one should be added CM. Just going to align this. There we go. And that's how easy it is to add all of this. And then we could just copy this again. CEO, copy it from the corner, and then add it to the corner as well. Then you have something like that. And then we will need to add those parking or crossroad stripes once we're in Twinmotion to make it nicer. Not thinking if we should add this one right here as well. Why not? And then delete this, CS, and then add that one there as well. And then just to add some arrows, we could go right here and then CM, add the arrows, something like this, and then like that. Then just copy it and then copy again. And then there we go. There we go. We could move this one onto this side and then just copy it. And that's looking much better. And then to tie it off, let's copy this, floor number 2, and then just close the area off. We could have something like this right here. Just to tie everything off like that. And then obviously we're going to add grass as well. We could connect it now here. I think it's better to connect this one into this island right here. AL. And then the truck can go here. You can drop off, and then you have a truck here, service area, garbage, and then we could add something here for exit. So we have something like that, looks like this. And then we have a road there, and we could add the exit here now on this side, but I think it's much better. Oops. Just going to delete this now. I think it's much better if the exit is right here. They could still exit here, they could go right there. They can come here onto this road. And then we go right here. Just going to align this, then align this. And then trim this one, or just add the line. And then obviously you need to curve this. I'm curving to the looks now. I'm going to put this one to 2500. 2500 as well. And then now we just need to open them because we're going to add some grass on those parts. And then we could just align it and then click finish. Here we need to put it to 200, and then we need another floor. I think that's floor number 4, which is the grass. Then make sure to put 200 and then click apply and then finish. Now it's looking like this. Looks much better. So let's stop here for now, continue in the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.